We've got Bank of America results rather out this morning. Wilfred Frost has been digging through the numbers. Want to go straight to him, Will?
Yes, thanks so much, Andrew. Sorry I wasn't here live driving in when the embargo was broken, but nice numbers here: 22.9 billion versus forecast of 22.1 billion in revenue, and EPS of 86 cents versus a forecast of 66 cents per share. Similar to yesterday and JP Morgan and Wells Fargo, a little bit flattered on the bottom line by provisions for credit losses, which was expected to be 349 million cost. Instead, it was a benefit of 1.7 billion, but not really seeing the shares decline on that news. It's still being taken as a nice beat because that release is not that big. And of course, as we discussed yesterday, all of this is a good thing. It's only happening because the outlook for the economy is improving. Beats on the capital markets, again, like the others, not quite as geared to that as the likes of Goldman Sachs, of course. Investment banking, 2.2 billion. The forecast was 1.8. Fixed income trading, 3.3 billion. The forecast was 2.6. And equity trading, 1.8. The forecast was 1.6. One thing that we're going to need more details on the call is this non-interest expense, 15.5 billion. That's up 15% year over year, up 1.5 billion year over year. The forecast was for about $1 billion less than that, 14.4, and that might lead to having to push up cost estimates a little bit for the full year. So details on that to come, and I think also details on guidance for net interest income. This, for the big banks, is the most geared to the yield curve, and perhaps they can boost guidance given the pickup we've seen in yields during the quarter. We'll look out for that. Announced a 25 billion stock buyback program and said they have 35 billion of excess capital, again showing the sort of scope to deliver incremental returns from here going forward. Just final point, I'd just say again, capital markets is the place to be. They're less exposed to this. Goldman Sachs revenue yesterday overall up 100% year over year. Bank of America's flat, and if you look at just the non-interest income, only up 20%. So that Goldman Sachs number, again, yesterday stands out.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.